What is up, my brothers in baldness? Welcome back to the Aberlite Grooming channel. Alex Getland here again, and today I am very excited to present to you
the Aberlite Touch 2 Foil Head Shaver.
Now in this video here, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get the smoothest, cleanest, most enjoyable head shave of your life using this amazing head shaver right here.
In this video, we're going to cover what is the Touch 2 and what it's optimized for, optimal hair length for when you're using the Touch 2, how to properly prep your scalp for shaving, tips to avoid irritation, how to hold the Touch 2, shaving technique, aftershave head care, and how to clean your Touch 2.
All right, so let's get into it.
First up, what exactly is the Touch 2 Foil Head Shaver? The Touch 2 is the first foil shaver of its kind on the market, designed specifically for shaving your head. There are other premium foil shavers like the Babyliss Pro Double Foil Shaver and the Bronze Series 9, which is really meant for using on your face. You can tell by its long handle, it's not easy to manipulate on your head. And some barbers do use the Babyliss head shaver on their clients' heads, but it's not convenient to use if you shave your own head yourself. But when it comes to head shaving, the Touch 2 is in a league all its own. You, of course, can use the Touch 2 on shaving your face and neck too if you like, but head shaving is what it's most optimized for. The Touch 2 has a solid aluminum body, which gives it a really high-end and luxurious feel. And it comes in 3 stylish colors: silver, gold, and black. The Touch 2 is a double foil shaver, so it typically works best on 1 to 2 days of hair growth. But this, of course, depends on your specific hair. But if you're unsure about your hair length, you can always try the Touch 2 first, and if it's not cutting the way you need it to, you can use a rotary shaver to shorten the hair.
So if your hair is even a little bit long, trim first, then use the foil to finish. The Touch 2 gets you 80% closer than rotary shavers, thanks to these ultra-thin 0.05 millimeter foils, which is 4 to 6 times thinner than the foil guards on most rotary heads. Translation, this thing gets you barbershop smooth without having to go to an actual barber. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check your hair length and get your hair down to about 0.5 millimeter. If you can feel hair but not see hair, that's the sweet spot. Step 2, clean your scalp. Why? Because oil and gunk equals friction, and friction equals irritation. And irritation is how you end up with a head that looks like a freshly plucked chicken. I had to learn that the hard way, but we'll get into that later. If your skin does get easily irritated, one option is to hold a damp towel on your head for 2 to 3 minutes. This softens the hair and makes shaving smoother. Now, officially, dry shaving is recommended. It's the fastest, smoothest, and what the Touch 2 is optimized for. But even so, one really cool feature about the Touch 2 is that it's basically waterproof. Now, that being said, you shouldn't take this thing into the pool or submerge it underwater. But the design does allow you to be able to safely shave while showering, which I normally don't do. Typically, I prefer to separate business and pleasure. But of course, I did try it for this video and I actually kind of enjoyed it. Now again, while this is something you can try, and for some people, it might be your preferred way to use the Touch 2, for the best results, we officially recommend dry shaving. Foil shavers perform most effectively on dry skin. One other thing you can do if you do have sensitive skin is apply like 2 to 3 drops of shaving oil. For me personally, the area on the back of my neck can get pretty irritated easily, as you can see in this video. So before one of my shaves, I did rub some shaving oil into the back of my neck before I used the Touch 2, and it really did help minimize the irritation. One of the things I absolutely love about the Touch 2 is its unique shape and all the different ways you can hold it while using.
There are 3 main ways you can hold the Touch 2: base grip, precision grip, and casual grip. Base grip gives you the most control, and it's how you'll hold the Touch 2 to do most of your head shaving. Precision grip is great for quick touch-ups like behind the ears and hairline edges, and the casual grip is ideal for light maintenance shaves.
Now let's get into how to actually use the Touch 2. Turn it on, you just long press the power button for 1.5 seconds, and it comes right on. You'll see the LED indicator light on the bottom showing you how much charge is left, and to turn it off, you just give it one quick press, and it turns right off. It's that easy. It also conveniently comes with this protective hard case with an opening for the USB-C port, so you can easily charge it while keeping it covered. And it comes with this sleek and stylish carry bag as well. One other note on the charging, it only needs about 2.5 hours to be fully charged. And when it is fully charged, you've got 2 to 2.5 hours of usage time. And personally, I love that it charges with USB-C because this USB-C end makes it so convenient to charge it basically anywhere. It's especially convenient if you're traveling out of the country. It means you don't have to get a power converter. Okay, so back to the actual shaving technique, and this part is key.
To get the closest shave, you want to shave against the grain, meaning in the opposite direction of how your hair naturally grows. My hair grows down, so for me, shaving against the grain means shaving in an upward motion. And again, you can pull your skin with your hand to get the closest shave possible. And shaving with the Touch 2, you want the higher angle of the foil on the stroke that's going up. If you look closely here, you can see the back side of the shaver is the higher angle. And you want that high angle to lead the way. And when you're getting those hard to reach places like behind your ears, you'll want the higher angle down, which will give you the closest shave. A simple way to think of it is you always want to lead with the high angle.
After shaving, if your skin is sensitive, you can use a cooling balm or moisturizer. Both are great options for keeping your skin healthy and hydrated.
Now let's talk about cleaning the Touch 2.
The good thing is, cleaning this thing is ridiculously simple. You just lift the foil head gently and it pops right off. The Touch 2 comes with this convenient little brush to help make cleaning easy. You then rinse the foil and blades under running water and tap out the excess water. And you can use the included brush to remove any leftover hair from the inner blades. Then you just snap the foil head back on, and that's literally it. The whole process takes like 10 seconds. We also recommend fully replacing the foil head and blades every 3 to 6 months. When you notice decreased performance or pulling while shaving, that's how you know it's time for a replacement. Also, this part is very important. If the foil has any damage, holes, or cracks, stop using it immediately. A damaged foil can cut you and it will ruin the blades. Now, fortunately, installing the replacement foil is easy, but you can put the foil on upside down if you're not paying attention.
When installing the foil, it is essential to make sure that the raised side of the foil matches with the raised side of the blades. You will see that the set of blades facing the front of the shaver, the same side where Aberlite is written, is slightly lower. The raised slightly higher foil and the raised slightly higher blades are on the back side of the shaver. Just line them up, snap it on, and you're good to go.
And by the way, you can buy replacement outer foil and blade sets at Aberlite.com. And you know what else is cool? You can choose between the gold foil head replacement set and the black diamond foil head replacement set.
So to recap, we recommend using the Touch 2 on 1 to 2 days of hair growth, but this of course depends on your hair thickness and length. If you do have longer hair, you'll want to trim it down first. Dry shave is recommended, and if you have sensitive skin, you can use a bit of shaving oil. And don't forget to clean your Touch 2 regularly.
And that's everything you need to know to get a clean, smooth, barbershop level shave using the Aberlite Touch 2. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more grooming tips, and if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy head shaving. We'll see you next time.